Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, and wireless WAN module. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna, speaker, and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the speakers. Disconnect the speaker cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the display panel cable ZIF connector and disconnect the display panel cable from the motherboard. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the speakers. Remove the two 6mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.